Hello everyone, this is Ritika Sharma, teacher of Ambi International School, Nayagaon, Kota. So kids, today we are going to start a new poem which name is Listen and Learn. It's your chapter 5 in English textbook. So kids, let's start the poem. Listen and learn. What rules should we follow when we walk on the road or in a public place? What rules we should remember always when we walk on the road or in a public place? Why do you think we have such rules? What do you think that we should follow these rules? We should have these rules so that you cannot fall on the ground, you cannot fall on the road. The story of a Johnny had an ear. This is the poem. In this poem, the story is described of Johnny had an ear. In this poem, a character is described. A character is mentioned, which name is Johnny, who was always absent-minded. Had an ear means absent-minded. उसका जो mind था वो हमेशा absent रहता था. Like उसका जो mind था वो सीधे direction में नहीं रहता था, वो कहीं और खोया रहता था. So let's start the poem. As he trudged along to school, it was always Johnny's rules. When he goes to his school, he always absent-minded. He always take big steps while walking. To be looking at the sky and clouds that floated by, and he take big steps while he was looking at the sky, and he was looking on the clouds that is floating. But what just before him lay in his way, Johnny never thought about, so that everyone cried out, "Look at little Johnny there, little Johnny had an ear." So when he was walking, he just absent-minded. He was looking at the sky. Sometimes he was looking here and there. He just not concentrate on the road while walking. So everyone says that look at Johnny there, little Johnny had an ear. So everyone says that you should be concentrate on the road while walking. Running just in Johnny's way came a little dog one day. Johnny's eyes were still astray up on high in the sky, and he never heard them cry, "Johnny, mind, the dog is nigh." So one day what happened? When Johnny was walking, a dog came in his way, and he doesn't know that a dog came nearby him. He just astray. He was just वो खोया हुआ था अपनी किसी डायरेक्शन में. He was just looking up the sky, and he never heard them cry, "Johnny, mind, the dog. Johnny, mind, the dog is nigh." And he never heard them cry. और जो उसके जो parents हैं, friends हैं, he was crying that he never heard them, कि वो चिल्ला रहे हैं कि हट जाओ वहाँ से, हट जाओ वहाँ से. And Johnny didn't mind, and Johnny ने उनको mind भी नहीं किया. Johnny never heard it. The dog is nigh, that the dog is nearby him, standing nearby him. And when Johnny was absent-minded, had an ear, he was bump and dump. Down they fall with such a thump, dog and Johnny in a lump. So what happened? Johnny and dog together fall on the ground. They almost broke their bones so hard they tumbled on the stones. So they almost broke their bones. वो उनके बहुत ज़्यादा चोट लग गई थी, because they hard tumbled on the stones. वो फ्लोर पर जो ग्राउंड था, जो रोड था, उसके जो स्टोन्स थे उन पर गिर गया था. Once, with head as high as ever, Johnny walked beside the river. As usual, Johnny was looking up the sky, and Johnny walked beside the river. Johnny was walking beside the river. Johnny watched the swallows trying to watch which was cleverest at flying. Oh, what fun! Johnny watched the bright round sun going and coming out. This was all he thought about when he was walking. When he was walking, he was looking up the sky. He was watching the swallow trying to, which is cleverest at flying. He was a swallow trying to fly. He was thinking that wow, what a beautiful sun going in and coming out. All these things going on in his mind. He never concentrate on the road while walking. So he strode on only think to the river's very brink, and वो ये सब सोचते सोचते कहाँ पर पहुँच गया, रिवर्स बैंक पर पहुँच गया, रिवर के एज पर पहुँच गया, where the bank was high and steep and the water very deep, जहाँ पे जो बैंक था वो जो रिवर का जो बैंक था, रिवर का जो एज था वो बहुत ज़्यादा हाई था एंड बहुत ज़्यादा स्टेप था, एंड द वाटर वेरी डीप, एंड जो उसका जो वाटर था वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा डीप था, एंड द फिशेस एंड अ रो स्टेयर टू सी हिम कमिंग, सो एंड ऑल द फिशेस वर सीइंग हिम टू कमिंग टुवर्ड्स दैम. One step more, oh sad to tell, headlong and poor Johnny fell. One step more, एक कदम और आगे बढ़ा, एक स्टेप और आगे बढ़ा. Oh sad to tell, headlong and poor Johnny fell, and the fishes in a dismay wagged their tails and swam away, and he just drowned into a water in the river. वो पानी में गिर गया, and उसका जो headlong है वो पानी में गिर गया, and the fishes in dismay and all the fishes were watching him very shockingly wagged their tails and swam away. और वो वहाँ से दूर चली गई, उसको देख करके डर के दूर चली गई उनसे. Now what happened next? There lay Johnny on his face with his nice red writing case, but as they were passing by, two strong men had heard him cry, and with the sticks these two strong men hooked poor Johnny out again. So वो तो गिर चुका था पानी में, and along with his writing case, along with his bag, but as they were passing by, and the two men were passing by the river, and they heard Johnny's crying, and with the sticks these two strong men hooked poor Johnny out again, and with the help of the sticks they hooked poor Johnny and out him again from the river. Oh, you should have seen him shiver when they pulled him from the river. Oh, now they were saying to us that you should have seen him shiver. आप उसको ठंड लगते हुए देखोगे, because he fall in the water. When they pulled him from the river, जब उन्होंने उसको river से निकाला, you should have seen him shiver. आप उसको ठंड में कँपाते हुए देखोगे. He was in a sorry plight. He was very sorry situation. बहुत ही ज़्यादा disturbing situation में था वो. Dripping wet and such a fright. He was very wet and such a fright. He was scared also. Wet all over everywhere. He was wet all over. Clothes and arms and face and hair. Johnny will never forget what is to be so wet. And he will never forget this kind of situation. And the fishes 1, 2, 3 were come back again. You see up the camp the moment after to enjoy the fun and laughter. And the fishes were camped to him to enjoy the fun, the moment, and to fun and laughter. Each popped out his little hat and to tease poor Johnny, and they were teased poor Johnny, and silly little Johnny, look, you have lost your writing book. Now he was an absent-minded child, and he was looking up the sky. He was never go in a correct direction. So what he did, उसके साथ क्या हुआ, he fall in the river. उसका जो writing case था, उसका जो बैग था, वो भी ख़त्म हो गया था, वो भी गिर चुका था, गीला हो चुका था पूरी तरीके से. And in this poem we get a moral that we should always be in a correct direction. We should never look here and there while we walking. Okay, thank you.